So there's the AGMs pumping out a lot more power than lithiums. And I'm about to prove that. Yeah, I got 4 of those buggers in here. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, this is my little box setup. I moved it from where I had it. Trying to get pictures of everything here now. I run my tortoise light there. In fact, here he is. I'll show you my little tortoise. He's a little bugger. He wants some attention right now, but I got videos to do. I love that charge controller. MPP. What a PC60X or something like that. Wonderful. Charge controller. Oh, there's my starter. Midnight Solar 30 ampere. That's what I started with, and then I built this bigger unit. It's my spare light. If power goes out, I can just plug that in right there. I've got lights. Anyway, let's get back to this, why I made this video here. So I built this 8 months ago. Very simple. 2 wires in from the controller, batteries in parallel. Made all my cables. That take a little time there. 2 wires to the inverter. I'm done. I set my controller. I want my batteries to, you know, do this and that on the voltage, and I haven't touched it since, guys. Done nothing. Nothing's changed. I mean, it's like boring. How many videos can I do with this? Now, the real reason. Also, a YouTuber, he was doing his video at about the same time he was building his rig. Lithium. You know, everybody's telling you got to go lithium. Well, it's been 8 months. You know what? He's still messing with that damn thing. He's had every problem there is. Balancing. Got to balance my cells. They got to be exact. BMS problems. I think he screwed up his wiring size on something. I don't watch all his videos, but I know it's been 8 months. He's going to put his controller and inverter and everything in a steel box. Mount it on the wall. And being a nice guy, I say, that stuff needs ventilation. It ain't going to get it in that box. You're going to have problems. It's going to overheat. Oh, no. The box will radiate the heat out. Well, no, it doesn't work that way, guys. Well, anyways, 8 months he's been screwing with that rig. And I can guarantee you, I've done nothing to mine. It's worked every day. So if you figure in 8 months' time, I have made a shit ton of energy, and he made I don't know what. So that sales job, you got to buy lithium, Puker effects, how bad AGM are. It's all BS, guys. You want a sales job? Well, go talk to those lithium guys. Go talk chemistry out both ears. All I care about is what works. You know, when shit goes bad, then you got to rely on something. This is what I rely on, AGMs. What can I say? The only other reason I can think is that guy taking 8 months. Well, he's got almost 3,000 subscribers, so each video he does, he's making some bucks, some coin. You know, every time you watch a video, if you're monetized, you make some money. I'm not even close to that. So what do you think the chance is? Maybe he's just playing stupid and doing the wrong things for money. Playing with his viewers for cash. That's the only possibility I guess I could think. Oh yeah, he was in accusing the Victron. You know, he put all that shit in the box, metal box, with no ventilation. And he's blaming Victron for his 30 amp charge controller quit working every couple of days. And it's obviously his fault that you put this stuff in a metal box with no ventilation, it's not going to work. I seen today he's put some fans in, finally after 8 months. And I told him from day one, it ain't going to work unless you put fans in that box. So either he's playing with the viewers for the money, or, well, Lithium, you're going to have to do a lot more shit too. 8 months, guys, he's been playing with that, and I have done absolutely nothing. So in that respect, I can absolutely guarantee you AGMs will make you a lot more power. And I truly believe that, guys. When you, like I say, when things go to shit, and I've been through some shit, I'm old. When you get old, you got a lot of wisdom and knowledge. And if you want something you can absolutely rely on, cold weather, hot weather, you better buy some AGMs, guys. Forget about that sales pitch that they've been feeding you. So, but I'm happy. I'm making power every day, and you know, I can absolutely guarantee you that guy ain't. He's been working on his for 8 months. All right, that's it. I just thought that was, 8 months. He's still playing with that lithium shit. That's even 48 volts he's doing. Oh yeah, super. Oh no, not me. I'm going to stick with a 12 volt. You can find everything 12 volt, guys. Don't listen to all the sales jobs that are out there, if you want something reliable. I mean, if you want a toy just to play with, and I guess you could have fun with the lithium. That'll keep you occupied here. All right, well, thanks for watching the videos. I'm just, I'm having, there's facts, and I'm having some fun too. I gotta laugh. 8 months. 8 months he's still pissing with the lithiums. And I'm like, what can I say more about my my solar system here? I mean, it's almost, it's so boring. I mean, I set the parameters of the voltage, and I haven't touched it. It's that good, guys. All right. Thanks for watching the video.